living in the moment. You're loving the camper van life. You're living in the moment and loving the camper van life. Ooh.
Now we've got to start on this side. Ooh, choppy, choppy, choppy.
Hi guys, as you can see I've got Nina back from Austin. We went down sort of late-ish one night, got there about 8ish I suppose, once the traffic had died down, and brought her back. He's done a great job. I will show you some of that now. Right, so this is the inside, this is the driver's side, and you can see this is where the rust was, where the trim was coming through. So that's all nice and welded now and obviously treated. I've got to fill these holes in, that's just the trim holes. I'll fill those in with a bit of Sikaflex, but they've all been treated. So you can see where he sprayed from the outside, the little spray coming through. That's quite cool actually. You can actually see one of the trim clips there. And there, so I'll go over all those with a bit of Sikaflex. But yeah, he's done a really good job of that. Well done, Austin. And then there's the mess that was out the other day. Now this is the passenger side. This is the one that you actually saw go into a hole. So that's all nice and solid now. Yeah, really good job, really chuffed with that. So everything's done now. I don't have to worry anymore. If I'd have carried on and done that, if I'd carried on and just done the conversion, I'd never have been happy, because that would have always been there. So while all the walls and everything were off, and the kitchen's going to be going across here as well, it was best to get that done. So yeah, big thanks Austin, you've saved me a lot of worry, mate. Right, the first job today is the roof. The first job is going to be putting the silver stuff up, which I have here. This is a big thank you to Rick. This is what Rick had left over from his van build. So I'm hoping there's going to be enough to do the roof, because I haven't got any more with me at the moment. So yeah, he also gave me his leftover conduit as well. So I'll be running the cables. They'll kind of be running through the wall there, front to back. And also when my first dinette seat's going to be there with the batteries in. I'm going to run the main power cable up across, along and down to this point. This is where my fuse box is probably going to be in a cupboard just there. Obviously my kitchen along there. So yes, lots of work to do today, starting with that. I'm just going to cover up the skylight with newspaper, and that'll stop it getting covered in the glue when I start spraying that. what I'll do is lay them out on the floor and see if I need to cut another one. No, that's pretty much perfect. So I've got the bubble wrap cut. Next job is to start sticking it up and pull all the wires through that are coming through the ceiling. So we've got the TV aerial coming through, we've got the solar panels coming through, and once it's all up I'm going to be running wires across it, which I'll probably just fix in place with duct tape. I'm just going to go and have a spot of lunch and a cup of coffee, and I'm going to come out, stick that up and get wire in. Knife. There we go then guys, that's the roof done. I'm just going to start doing some side bits at the back there and decide what I'll do after that. I think I can cover up the back windows with what I've got left is the bubble wrap, because I'm going to be cladding over those ones, that's where the bed's going. So excellent. So as you can see, I didn't just get the roof done, that's all completely done. I got all the sides done as well. This side completely, bar around the window bits. I'll do those when I do the actual frames and everything. You can see over there, I'll just zoom you in, sorry for the zoom noise. I've done the back windows as well and the other side. That's because they're going to be completely blanked off with cladding. So I've just put some insulation behind the windows just to make it look a bit better. But yeah, quite chuffed. So I've done up to there. The only thing I haven't done is the side door, and I will do that when because I haven't taken the bits and pieces off of the side door yet. So so this is what Lena's looking like. It's really really brighten things up in here. So especially with the two skylights as well. I got that skylight there and that skylight there. So yeah, well chuffed. I just seen how dirty my face is, hand as well. There was a lot of dirt behind the metal bits. Yeah, so the next bit is to do the wiring on the roof. I'm not going to do that today unless I come out and do it later. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I've kind of had enough for today. I've had 2 days where I've been not ill but with a migraine. It was pretty debilitating, and I just couldn't do anything, so I'm not going to push it today. I'm really pleased with how far I've got, so yeah, I'm quite chuffed with that. And thank you very much, Rick. That roll you gave me, your leftover, is basically done, the whole van. I've got enough left to do the side door and probably inside the back doors, and enough to do the roof above me. I'll put some in there as well because I'm going to take the blower out and use that as like an extra storage space. So so I am quite chuffed. I'm really chuffed with this. Right, I will leave you to it, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.
Living in the moment, you're loving the camper van life. You're living in the moment and loving the camper van life.